Hi, I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to the Spiritual Tool Spotlight. And today we are going to talk about breath. And so, have you ever had that moment you're just gliding through, everything is good, and then all of a sudden somebody or something totally disrupts your energy. They disrupt your zen, whatever's going on, and then you're trying to figure out what to do. The most important thing to do is just to take a deep breath, stop, pause, take that deep breath in and out, and then, and then follow with a mantra or an affirmation. So, well, this is new. I choose peace. This is new. I choose peace. This is new. I choose peace, and I've got this. And then take that breath in again and let it out, and really give yourself permission to move through your day with love, joy, and grace. And until next time, namaste.